Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest video in Gallery. First step is to open your Pinterest app, then search for the video which you want to download. Let's see, for now I want to download this video. Then just click on this video, then click on this icon, and here you will see copy link. You just have to copy this video link. Now go to Chrome browser and search Pinterest Video Downloader. Here you have to click on this link. Now paste the link here and click Download. So now it will be downloaded in few seconds. Done. Now click on right side of the video. Here, click Download. Now it started downloading to your device. Completed. Now the video is successfully downloaded in your gallery. If this guide was helpful, then do subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.